Project Convergence, the evolution of U.S. military preparedness. Events Summary. Date, January 18, 2025. Location, various U.S. military installations. Project Convergence, an ambitious U.S. military initiative, has been progressing since its inception in 2020. This ongoing project aims to enhance the readiness of the American military forces for future conflicts through collaboration and integration of advanced technologies across various branches of the military and allied nations. The project's evolution reflects a commitment to modernize operational capabilities by fostering joint exercises and experimentation with cutting-edge military technologies. Timeline of key developments. 1. Inception 2020. Project Convergence was launched to explore and demonstrate new technologies that could modernize U.S. military operations. The goal was to assess how these technologies can improve coordination between different military branches and allied forces. 2. Project Convergence 2022 September-November 2022. In a pivotal phase, the project brought together thousands of service members from the US, UK, and Australia to conduct extensive experimentation at military installations across the western United States. Approximately 300 technologies were tested, including long-range fires, unmanned aerial systems, and next-generation sensors. This phase aimed to advance joint and multinational interoperability in future operational environments. 3. Project Convergence Capstone March 4, 2024. The culmination of prior efforts, this event took place at Camp Pendleton, California. Over 4,000 military personnel and civilians from the U.S. and allied nations participated, further enhancing joint operational capabilities. This phase emphasized the integration of offensive and defensive firepower through real-time data sharing to improve combat effectiveness. Core objectives and themes. 1. Technological integration. A central theme throughout Project Convergence is the integration of various technological systems, particularly in command and control C2 operations. The aim is to facilitate real-time data sharing across multiple domains, ensuring that different military branches and allied forces can operate cohesively. 2. Multinational collaboration. Collaboration with international partners is a cornerstone of Project Convergence. The project emphasizes the need for joint operations in complex combat scenarios, ensuring that allied forces can work effectively together. 3. Experimental validation. Each phase of the project serves as a testing ground for new technologies and tactics, providing invaluable feedback and data to inform future military strategies and requirements. Distinctive aspects of the project. Scale and focus of exercises. Source 1. Department of Defense highlights the overarching framework and participation of various nations involved in Project Convergence Capstone 4. Source 2. National Defense Magazine delves into specific technological applications, especially in the realm of real-time data processing and decision-making. Source 3. U.S. Army focuses on the initial establishment of the project and its goals related to technology assessment and industry participation. Future challenges and prospects. 1. Data centralization and algorithmic warfare. One of the future directions for Project Convergence involves enhancing data centralization and the application of algorithms in military decision-making. This shift is necessary to meet the evolving nature of warfare, which increasingly relies on rapid data processing and analysis. 2. Integration of diverse communication standards. As different military branches and allied nations utilize varying communication standards, overcoming these barriers remains a challenge. Future efforts will need to focus on optimizing technological architectures to facilitate efficient information flow. Conclusion. Project Convergence exemplifies the U.S. military's commitment to modernizing its operational capabilities through technological integration and multinational collaboration. The project's ongoing evolution reflects the changing landscape of warfare, emphasizing the importance of speed, adaptability, and interoperability in future conflicts. As the military continues to test and validate new technologies, Project Convergence will play a crucial role in shaping the future of military readiness and effectiveness. Counterintuitive insights from the content on the USA's Project Convergence include: 1. Integration over standardization. A significant shift noted in the discussions surrounding Project Convergence is the emphasis on integrating diverse systems rather than standardizing them. Traditionally, military operations have focused on uniformity across different services and allies to ensure interoperability. However, this project recognizes the value in connecting disparate systems, allowing for flexibility and adaptability in joint operations. The idea that you don't have to standardize everything challenges conventional military doctrines that prioritize standardization for operational effectiveness. 2. Real-time offensive capability. The transition from a reactive to a proactive stance in military engagement is striking. Instead of merely defending against incoming threats, the project emphasizes the capability to launch counteroffensives almost instantaneously upon detecting enemy fire. This proactive integration of offensive and defensive systems is a departure from traditional military strategies, which often delayed response until after a threat was confirmed. 3. Technological simplification. The move towards reducing the physical footprint of military technology, transforming hundreds of pounds of equipment into a lightweight portable system, contradicts the expectation that more advanced technology would lead to increased complexity. The focus on virtualization indicates a trend towards streamlining operations, suggesting that effective military solutions can be both high-tech and low-maintenance. For field testing versus lab conditions, the unexpected challenges and innovations that arise from field testing, e.g. wildlife chewing on cables, highlight the limitations of controlled environments for military exercises. This emphasizes a counterintuitive understanding that real-world conditions can yield insights that are often overlooked in laboratory settings, reinforcing the value of practical hands-on experimentation. 5. Data centrality and algorithmic warfare. The future orientation towards data centrality and algorithmic warfare suggests a shift from traditional tactical approaches to data-driven decision-making. This counters the historical reliance on human intuition and experience, indicating that future military operations will increasingly depend on algorithms and data analytics to inform strategic choices. 6. Collaborative learning across nations. While military collaborations usually focus on sharing technology and resources, Project Convergence emphasizes joint learning and experimentation as a means to develop capabilities. This represents a shift from simply pooling resources to actively engaging in shared learning processes, challenging the notion that military alliances are primarily transactional. 7. The role of non-traditional sensors. The integration of non-traditional sensors with existing military capabilities suggests a paradigm shift in how modern warfare might be conducted. Instead of relying solely on established military technology, the project explores innovative solutions that may not be conventional but can enhance operational effectiveness, thus questioning long-held beliefs about what constitutes effective military technology. 8. Emerging from failure. The acknowledgement of network failures and communication breakdowns during exercises rather than sweeping them under the rug is a counterintuitive approach in military culture. Typically, failures are viewed negatively. However, Project Convergence treats these failures as opportunities for growth and improvement, advocating for a mindset that embraces learning from setbacks. These insights reveal a transformative approach to modern warfare that challenges traditional military doctrines and encourages innovative, adaptable, and collaborative strategies in preparation for future conflicts. In the context of the USA's Project Convergence, there are several key aspects that often receive less attention but are critically significant for understanding the future of military operations and joint coalition warfare. Below, I elaborate on these overlooked elements and their implications. 1. Algorithmic warfare and data centrality. While the overarching themes of technological integration and multinational collaboration dominate discussions about Project Convergence, the specifics of algorithmic warfare and data centrality are often glossed over. The shift towards data-centric operations marks a transformative change in military strategy. By centralizing data management and utilizing algorithms for decision-making, military operations can achieve greater speed and precision. Significance: operational efficiency. The ability to process and analyze vast amounts of data in real time can dramatically reduce response times in combat scenarios. As noted, the time taken to move data from a sensor to an effector has decreased from minutes to seconds, which can be the difference between success and failure in military engagements. Enhanced decision-making. Algorithmic warfare allows for predictive analytics and automated decision-making processes that can optimize resource allocation and target selection, thereby improving the effectiveness of military actions. 2. Integration of non-traditional sensors. Another critical yet often overlooked aspect is the integration of non-traditional sensors within the military framework. The Project Convergence exercises have highlighted the importance of merging data from unconventional sources with existing military systems. Significance: expanded capabilities. Non-traditional sensors can include commercial technologies, satellite data, and even social media analytics, which provide a broader picture of the battlefield and enhance situational awareness. Adaptability in combat. The ability to utilize a diverse array of sensors enables military forces to adapt quickly to changing conditions and threats, allowing for a more dynamic operational strategy. 3. Cultural shift towards collaborative mindset. While technical advancements are crucial, the cultural shift within military organizations towards collaboration, both internally among different branches and externally with allies, is a transformative aspect that often goes unrecognized. Significance: breaking down silos. The emphasis on joint operations and the integration of diverse military cultures fosters a spirit of collaboration that can enhance mission success. The ability to work seamlessly with allied forces during joint exercises, as evidenced in Project Convergence, is critical in modern warfare. Trust building. Continued collaboration strengthens relationships with partner nations, which is vital for collective security and response strategies against common threats. 4. Real-world testing and adaptation. The importance of real-world testing in military exercises like Project Convergence is frequently underestimated. The ability to simulate combat conditions and evaluate the effectiveness of technologies in real time provides invaluable insights that cannot be replicated in laboratory settings. Significance: identifying practical challenges. Real-world exercises reveal unforeseen issues, as noted with network failures due to wildlife interference. Recognizing and addressing these challenges during actual operations is crucial for operational readiness. Iterative learning. The feedback loop created through live testing allows for quick adaptations and improvements in technology and tactics, ensuring that military forces remain agile in the face of evolving threats. 5. Impact of logistics on multinational operations. While discussions often focus on combat technologies, the role of logistics in supporting multinational operations is frequently overlooked. Project Convergence has highlighted the need for robust logistical frameworks that can support diverse forces operating together. Significance: sustainability of operations. Effective logistics ensures that allied forces can maintain operations over extended periods, which is essential for long-term success in conflict scenarios. Interoperability in supply chains. Developing compatible logistical systems among allied nations enhances operational effectiveness and reduces delays in resource allocation during joint missions. 6. Cybersecurity and information integrity. With the increased reliance on interconnected systems and real-time data sharing, the importance of cybersecurity measures is paramount yet often under-discussed. The integrity of information shared across networks is critical for maintaining operational security. Significance: Preventing information warfare. Ensuring the security of communication channels helps protect against adversarial interference and misinformation, which can disrupt military operations. Building trust in systems. Robust cybersecurity measures foster confidence in the technological systems employed by military forces, which is essential for effective collaboration. Conclusion. In summary, while Project Convergence is prominently recognized for its technological advancements and multinational collaboration, several nuanced aspects: algorithmic warfare, integration of non-traditional sensors, cultural shifts towards collaboration, real-world testing, logistical considerations, and cybersecurity, are equally critical for understanding its full impact. Overlooking these elements could lead to a superficial understanding of the future of warfare and the challenges that lie ahead for military organizations. Addressing these areas will be vital for ensuring that the U.S. and its allies remain prepared for the complexities of modern conflict. 1. Integration of technology and multi-domain operations. Project Convergence emphasizes the critical integration of various military technologies to enhance joint and allied operations. The focus on command and control C2 capabilities and real-time data sharing across multiple domains, land, air, sea, and cyber, is pivotal for modern warfare. The ability to connect disparate systems and efficiently process massive amounts of data enables the U.S. military and its allies to respond swiftly to threats, proving essential in an increasingly complex combat environment. 2. Collaborative multinational exercises. The project showcases the importance of multinational collaboration, involving forces from countries like the UK, Australia, Canada, and Japan. Exercises such as Project Convergence Capstone 4 highlight how integrated efforts enhance combat effectiveness and interoperability among allied forces. This collaboration is not merely beneficial but necessary in addressing global security challenges, reinforcing the principle that modern warfare requires cohesive efforts beyond a single nation's capabilities. 3. Shift to algorithmic warfare and data-centric approaches. Future military strategies are increasingly leaning towards data-centric operations and algorithmic warfare. The project aims to centralize data management utilizing advanced algorithms to enhance decision-making processes in combat scenarios. This shift acknowledges the limitations of traditional warfare paradigms and the need for adaptive technology-driven strategies that can process information at machine speed for rapid response to threats. 4. Challenges of standardization and communication. Despite the advancements, Project Convergence also underscores significant challenges related to standardization and communication among various military branches and allied forces. Different operational standards and communication protocols pose barriers to seamless integration. Addressing these challenges is crucial for ensuring that the technology and systems developed can be effectively utilized in real-world scenarios, emphasizing the need for ongoing innovation and adaptation in military operations. 1. Project Apollo 1961–1972. Project Apollo was a NASA program aimed at landing humans on the Moon and ensuring their safe return to Earth. This ambitious project marked a significant milestone in space exploration and technology development. It involved close collaboration between multiple national agencies, private contractors, and international partners. The program's success was marked by the Apollo 11 mission in 1969, where astronauts Neil Armstrong and Buzz Aldrin became the first humans to walk on the lunar surface. Apollo's integrated approach to technology coordination and rapid development drew parallels to Project Convergence, as both sought to leverage cutting-edge technologies and international collaboration to achieve complex objectives. 2. Operation Desert Shield/Desert Storm 1990–1991. This military campaign was initiated by a coalition led by the United States to expel Iraqi forces from Kuwait. The operation showcased the importance of joint operations and multinational cooperation in modern warfare, integrating air, land, and naval forces from various countries. The success of the coalition forces was largely attributed to advanced technology, real-time intelligence sharing, and the effective integration of different capabilities. Similar to Project Convergence, Operation Desert Shield/Desert Storm emphasized the need for interoperability among Allied forces and the strategic use of technology to enhance combat effectiveness. 3. NATO's Allied Command Transformation 2003-present. This initiative focuses on enhancing NATO's military capabilities and ensuring that member nations can work together effectively in joint operations. The transformation process involves integrating new technologies, developing joint operational concepts, and fostering collaboration among Allied forces. NATO's emphasis on interoperability, rapid communication, and collective defense mirrors the goals of Project Convergence, which aims to prepare the U.S. military and its allies for future conflicts through integrated technology and multi-domain operations. Both initiatives reflect an ongoing commitment to adapt to evolving security challenges through collaboration and innovation. Future outlook, predictions for Project Convergence in the USA. Introduction. Project Convergence represents a pivotal shift in how the U.S. military prepares for the complexities of future warfare. This initiative, which started in 2020, focuses on integrating advanced technologies and fostering multinational collaboration to enhance operational readiness. As we look toward the future, several key predictions can be made regarding the evolution of Project Convergence and its impact on military strategy. 1. Enhanced data integration and decision-making. As military operations increasingly rely on data-driven strategies, Project Convergence will likely lead to the establishment of centralized data systems capable of real-time analysis and dissemination. The integration of artificial intelligence (AI) and machine learning (ML) will automate data processing, enabling faster decision-making. Commanders will leverage predictive analytics to anticipate enemy movements and optimize resource allocation, resulting in more agile and responsive military operations. 2. Evolution of multinational coalitions. The success of Project Convergence hinges on effective collaboration among allied nations. In the future, we can expect to see the formation of more robust multinational coalitions. Exercises will expand to include a broader range of partners, enhancing interoperability and fostering trust among forces. Joint exercises will become more frequent and complex, focusing on shared operational objectives and integrated command structures that reflect the realities of modern warfare. 3. Development of autonomous systems. Project Convergence is likely to accelerate the development and deployment of autonomous systems, including drones and robotic ground vehicles. These systems will play critical roles in reconnaissance, surveillance, and even combat operations. As technology advances, we may see the emergence of fully autonomous units that can operate independently or in conjunction with human operators, further reducing risks to personnel and increasing operational efficiency. 4. Cybersecurity and resilience. With the increasing reliance on digital networks, cybersecurity will become a paramount concern. Future iterations of Project Convergence will incorporate robust cybersecurity measures to protect sensitive data and maintain operational integrity. The U.S. military will invest in developing resilient systems that can withstand cyberattacks and rapidly recover from disruptions, ensuring continuity of operations in contested environments. 5. Focus on hybrid warfare. The future landscape of warfare will likely involve hybrid threats that combine conventional military tactics with cyber warfare, information operations, and irregular warfare. Project Convergence will adapt to these realities by integrating capabilities across domains to counter diverse threats. This approach will emphasize the importance of psychological operations, misinformation countermeasures, and the ability to operate in information-dense environments. 6. Continuous technological innovation. As the pace of technological advancement accelerates, Project Convergence will prioritize continuous innovation. The military will establish partnerships with the private sector to rapidly prototype and field new technologies. This will involve leveraging commercial advancements in AI, robotics, and data analytics to enhance military capabilities. Agile development methodologies will become the norm, allowing for quicker iterations and adjustments based on operational feedback. 7. Increased emphasis on sustainability. Future military operations will likely place greater emphasis on sustainability and environmental considerations. Project Convergence may integrate technologies that minimize the environmental impact of military activities, such as energy-efficient systems and sustainable logistics practices. This shift will not only address ecological concerns but also enhance operational resilience by reducing dependency on vulnerable supply chains. 8. Integration of human factors in training. As technology becomes more integral to military operations, training will evolve to incorporate human factors in the use of advanced systems. Simulations in virtual environments will play a crucial role in preparing personnel for the complexities of modern combat. Future training programs will emphasize cognitive skills, adaptability, and decision-making in high-pressure scenarios, ensuring that soldiers can effectively leverage technology in the field. Conclusion. The future of Project Convergence is poised to redefine military operations in the U.S. and among its allies. By enhancing data integration, fostering multinational cooperation, and embracing technological advancements, the U.S. military will be better equipped to address the challenges of future warfare. While the path forward will undoubtedly present obstacles, the commitment to innovation and collaboration will be essential in ensuring success on the modern battlefield.